We didn't just build another AI tool, we helped a platform to help brands and apps scale overnight. Born from an agency built into a software, MakeUGC raised $0 to make MakeUGC the new standard. Introducing Ad Factory, the fastest way to create hundreds of viral ads in minutes. We're going to recreate a full viral ad campaign similar to what would have cost tens of thousands of dollars with a full production team by using MakeUGC in under 10 minutes. No studio, no influencers, no shipping products. Here's the wildest part. One of our users, a solo founder selling 4 sheets of paper, used MakeUGC to create 20 viral ads, and it generated him over $25,000 in sales, all from selling paper. The ad went viral, the campaign converted, and he didn't even touch a camera. Or Tomer, who founded Nanophone, who replaced 90% of his creatives entirely with AI, and thousands of other apps and brands who are replacing their content every single day. MakeUGC works like a creative team in a box. You pick your product, select an actor, generate a script, and in minutes you have product in hand videos, studio quality voiceovers, quick text to scripts, and videos that actually sell. You can even create your own avatar from one prompt. We're already powering over 100,000 new ad creatives every single month for brands like Golly, Prime, and Holofly, and many, many more. With this update, we've reduced AI hallucinations by 98%, making it undeniable from real creators. Improved render speed, added over 300 actors, and launched 40 new languages so you can target every market. The ceiling of what you can create, it just got higher. Because at MakeUGC, we don't just make ads, we help you go viral.